This exercise is called the world's greatest stretch. For this, start off using a chair or a box, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna put both hands on the chair just like this. I'm gonna take my other foot, I'm gonna take my left foot, put on the outside of the chair, and then I'm gonna take my back leg and keep it straight. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive my hips down towards the floor, and then I'm gonna push my hips up and behind, trying to extend this front leg. So it's gonna become like a little bit of a seesaw. My chest comes up, and then my chest comes down, back and forth, just like this, getting about 10 to 15 reps on each side. And I'll switch legs, driving my chest up, then driving my hips back, really creating a nice big stretch in the back of my hamstrings and the front of my back hip on my left side. Get about 10 to 15 reps on each side. If it's too easy for you to use a chair or a box, then basically go to the ground and basically put your hands on the ground, replicating those same movements. Again, this is the world's greatest stretch.